the Schoppee farm. Welcome back to the barn bar. It's Friday, thank goodness. Let's see, bad news this week. First of all, you're stuck with me. Last week was tons of fun to have Josh Spencer here, and I do think we have him talked into coming back sooner rather than later, but this week it's going to be me. And the second bit of bad news, well, it's good news. We just finished planting. The bad component of that is I'm exhausted, so you're going to get me at about half power, so I apologize for that. However, the good news is we have something fun to share today, and that is, it's something we've been working on for a while, but first we're going to make a blueberry martini with an elderflower liqueur in it, and there are ulterior motives for selecting this particular drink because we want to feature a new product of ours as a garnish, and that is our Pâte de Fruit. It's a type of gummy. It's naturally vegan, so it's made with pectin, and our chef Andre has been working on them for months, and they are finally ready. So we're going to feature it today in our drink, in our blueberry martini, and part of the brain dead feature of this week is I didn't get the blueberry vodka I wanted. There is a Maine-based blueberry vodka made by Cold River. It comes from a potato farm in the southern part of Maine. It's really good. Turns out I couldn't get it at the last minute, so we're going to use a Schoppee blueberry. It's a little sweeter and a little bit different. It makes for a great drink, but it really would have been fun to kind of feature a Maine-based vodka. So if you are going to make this drink, I would recommend that vodka. So here we go. So you're going to need a shaker and some ice. So we're going to do about 1.5 ounces of blueberry vodka. And you'll have to forgive the noises in the background. The farm is still operating full speed here, even though we're done planting. There's still lots of things to be done, so there's a lot of commotion in the background. Okay, so elderflower liqueur, about 1 ounce of this. I like Saint Germain. I really like elderflower liqueur. I will probably feature it in other drinks in the future. But so about 1 ounce of that in this drink. And then about 1/2 ounce of lime. Good enough. And just regular old 1-to-1 simple syrup, about 1/2 ounce of this. You can adjust this to taste. This Schoppee blueberry vodka is a little sweet, so I'm going to do a little less than 1/2 ounce. If you do end up getting the blueberry vodka I spoke about earlier, the Cold River, it's not as sweet, which is quite nice, but you might need a little more simple syrup to balance the drink out. Okay, so 1/2 ounce of that. Give it a good shake. For the fun part. So take your glass, and we're going to take one of our little Pâte de Fruit gummies and put it in the bottom and pour the drink over the top. One thing I learned from Josh last week, I really should have another strainer on this so I get a nice crystal clear drink, but I don't have one yet, so we're going to do it this way. And then throw a few blueberries on the top. They float. It's kind of fun. There you go. That is a blueberry martini with Pâte de Fruit, blueberry Pâte de Fruit. And it's delicious. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me as always, and hopefully we'll see you next week. Thank you.